I'm not sure if you can all hear this, but one of our feral cats abandoned the kitten. So we're gonna bring it inside and take care of it.
Where is it now?
I think it's under the board. Watch what you're leaning on because you might squish him. I hear him meowing.
I do too. Where are you?
He's under that board that you were leaning on, I think.
Yeah.
Watch your head.
Yeah, I know. I just almost fell off it. You're much quieter than Vicious.
Yeah, you didn't get chewed up like I did when I caught Vicious. Alright, let's get him inside and get him some formula. Here's our little guy. Exactly a week later, because we picked him up Saturday night, and here it is Saturday afternoon. We had a bottle feed him for about 3 days. Then he found out what canned kitten food is, and he likes that. We think it's a her. We don't know yet for sure. It's hard to tell. Probably only about 4 weeks old. But one of our feral cats abandoned it. So now we take care of it. We're going to call it Carbon.
Look at Daddy.
Carbon.
You are losing your blue eyes.
All right, thanks for watching.